What the heck? Look at this in the bush there. See? He's far. But he's there. It's not far from me, guys. I see others, many others beside him. I know. Over there too. I don't know if I'll be able to get some. They're so close. But this is unbelievable, this one. I'm gonna get this one. There it is. Wow. I have to go outside. I see others over there, but many others. You won't believe this. And we just got the rain like hell. Let's go outside. There was nothing out there. Quick. Let's go. Look at this, everyone, right there. Oh, it's still raining. And I know there's a ship over my garage there. I don't see it, but the other is over there. There's one there. Oh, they know I film. There's another one there. It rains on me. I got nothing on my back, but it's full of them up there too. Look in the sky. Wow. So many. There's some everywhere, but that one is the biggest one. I never seen close like that. It's right in the trees there. Wow, you see the trees through it? And that's no moon. The moon get up over on the left side of this ship there. But that's something weird, that. And plus all the others around. I've never seen that after a rain like this. There are a few. I'll get many there. Well, it depends on the zoom too. Full zoom. It's not the same when we put on picture. Mosquitoes. Well, I'm flying inside. I'm getting bite too. Damn, mosquitoes and rain. They're strong, those. Gee. All wet. Well, everyone, unbelievable, eh? I can't believe. That's probably those small light that brings those bestial here. Those mosquitoes. Gee. They bite me all over. Well, everyone, we check the time, the day. And after that, I'll say good night to everyone. We had a big bad weather a little earlier. Gee, with the August 11 to 20, 11:57 p.m. So, well, everyone, have a good night. For me, anyway, I'm going to try to sleep, but I know they're closed now. Have a good night.